So in this video, we are going to talk about SQL case. Okay. So how it works is basically it's like a if and else condition. Okay. So if something happens, then what should be the output? Okay. So as you can understand from here, what it is doing is it is taking two column and then it is writing a case statement, and under the case it is saying, okay, when the quantity is greater than 30, then put this. Okay. Then put this value in one column. Okay. When the quantity is equal to 30, then put this value in a particular column. Okay. So we are going to see this exact same thing in our workbench. So let's go there. So as you can see, we have the products data. So let me first try to run the products data. So this is the product data that we have. Okay, here we have the prices. Now here what we are saying is if the product price is between 1 to 50, okay, price is 1 to 50, that means it should be a low cost product. And if the price is between 51 to 100, it will be a medium cost product. And then if it is 101 to 500, it will be a high cost product. Okay, and we are going to write the case statement, and we are going to follow the exact same thing over here. Okay, so first what I want to select is I want to select the product name. I want to select. Okay, so first let me just take it, select from products data, or try to do that. Select from products data, and what I want to select, I want to select the product name, comma, I also want to select the product price. Okay, and then I want to select these two columns from this data. But if I try to run this one, what will happen is it will just show me the product name and the product price, but it will not create any column. So what I want is I want to create another column saying it's a kind of a product category, and then in that product category I want to say whether the product price is it is a low cost product, it is a medium cost product, or it's a high cost product. Okay, so to do that, I need to use the case statement. So what I'm going to do is I will use the case case when. Okay, let me just try to make it over here. Case when when I want to write when the price is when the price between when the price is between 1 to 50, right? So I will just write price between 1 and 50. Then I will say then it should be a low cost product. So I will just copy paste it from here. It's a low cost product. Okay. Now similarly, I'm going to just copy this one and then I will put it over here. So when the price now it should be 51 to 100, right? So I will just write 51 to it should be 100. Then it should be a medium cost product. So I will just remove the low. Okay, now in the third one what I will do is I will just write if I mean when the price is between 101 to 500, then it should be a high cost product. So I will just make it high cost product. Okay, now what about else? Okay, if none of this condition, if the product price let's say is 1000, then what should it be? Then what we can do is else we can just make it null. Okay, that means if the product price doesn't belong from 1 to 500, it will just show null. It will show nothing basically. Okay, it will show a blank. Okay, now I want to, how do I want to call this column? Because I'm not naming. So this is, I want this in a column, right? So I need to put it in a column. So I will write int as, okay, the column name. The column name I have selected is price category. Okay, oh my God, price category. Okay, now let's try to run this one and let's see what happens. You see, let me just try to sort it. So if I sort it, you will see that the price is starting from 2.5. Then let me go down. So from 1 to 50 it should be a low cost product, right? So let's go till 50 and let's see whether this is changing or not. So I have come to the 50. So till 49.3 it's a low cost product. Then whenever it reaches the 50, okay, it reaches up the 50, then it is a medium cost product. And then whenever it reaches the 100, you'll see that from 97 it's a medium cost, and then from 97 when it comes to 123 it's a high cost product. Okay, so this is how you can use the case statement, and it's really useful if you want to make any category or if you want to do if you want to create a column using this kind of conditions, you can do it using the case statement. Okay, so that's it for this video. See you in the next lecture.